Welcome to D2K. I'm your Durga Durairajan and today we're gonna see how to do ladies finger Poriyal. Come on, let's do ladies finger Poriyal. Young ladies finger, and that's what we need. So select by that way, and then now let's see how to chop down the ladies finger. If you keep only one and cut, it takes much time, and so to save the time you have to keep a bunch of ladies finger in your hand, like 8 to 10 something, any numbers. And now let's chop it down in a very easy way, and that's a very quick and easy method. Now let's see how to cut the onions. First you have to keep it as chop it down as 3 portion and take only 1 portion and cut it as a vertical way, and then turn it and then cut it as a horizontal way. Then we will get a very finely chopped onions. This is a very quick and easy method, and both these methods are very useful, and then that saves the time for us, and that's very easy, so you have to try it. In a pan we add 2 tablespoons of oil in it, and then when the oil is heated we add the mustard seeds, and when that is 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and when that pops we add the 1 tablespoon of gram dal in it, and then we add the onion. Today I have took 1 chopped onion, and then we add the half kg of ladies finger in it. And whatever you do to make the ladies finger unsticky, that will not work out, because after it cooks well the stickiness will disappear. So don't worry about it, no need to worry. And if the stickiness goes away, you can find that is cooked well. So you can switch off the stove. Now in the ladies finger we add the salt as your wish, and then the turmeric powder 1/4 spoon, and the chili powder, that is 1 tablespoon, and curry leaves, and then we have to mix well. And this is very easy and very quick dish. You have to try it, and after adding, which I told, you have to again mix it well, and then that's it. Bam! So finally we are up with a tasty and yummy ladies finger Poriyal, and now let's taste it. Come on! Cheers! That's so yummy! You have to try it. This is very nice and awesome. Okay, coming to the end of the video. If you like, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and share this video, and post your valuable feedbacks to us in the comments, and please subscribe to us and press the bell icon nearby.